Okay, today we're going to solder wires onto this linear vibrator. The main problem with soldering onto these is they only have these two shiny tabs, so we have to find a way to solder to that. And I'm going to show you how to do that. First of all, we strip our wires, maybe a 1/4 inch long. Notice that these are stranded wires, not solid copper wires, which we use because they're more flexible and less likely to break. Like that. Next, we're going to make a little loop in the wire. You'll see why in a moment. Next, we're going to twist the wire just to make it easier to handle. Just hold it in one hand and give it a little spin with the other. Like that. Makes the wires stay together better when you're working on them. Next, we're going to make a little loop. Doesn't much matter how big it is, just so that it's smaller than that pad. Next, we're going to tin everything. What we're going to do is apply the solder in advance and then just melt them together. So we take each of these wires, heat it up, and put some solder on it. Then we're going to put some solder on the vibrator, on each of the pads of the vibrator. Just a little blob there, just enough that when you put the wire and the vibrator together, it's going to hold. And the final step is we have solder on both now, so it's just a matter of melting them together. So we put it on here, touch the soldering iron to it, let it cool off, and it's soldered. Same with this one. There you have it.